Smith Superbird.
Are you trying to race me?
The Anchorman van.
Sorry, buddy. Not today.
This was a real promotional Levi's van that drove around and to shows and stuff. And a flame job. It's red, white, blue because it was the 70s, man.
I don't have the fuel for it.
Oh, Spy vs. Spy vans. And there's a white one and a black one.
I'm almost like, maybe I should buy a fuel injection system for it.
Oh, here's one of the Blade Runner cars I got. So I got all of them. I think this isn't Deckard's. This is Deckard's girlfriend's car. But yeah, this I had to search for this set for years and years and years.
All my friends like, dude, if you put a fuel injection system on it, it'll be like so perfect. And I'm like, wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, it'll shut right off. You don't, no dieseling or overheating. And then I have other friends that are like, if I just put an electric fan on it, that's so not what would happen in 66. Like, oh God. Please give me a break.
Cool station wagon, Impala. 68 or 9. Yeah.
Hey, Ricky.
It's got a little Mercedes, a little hitch. And when its trunk opens, majorette. That's an off-brand. They're French. You see them in Canada. Pontiac doesn't exist anymore, though. Oh, here's some Mazda. M3. My father just recently got one of those. I think it's this color too. I'm gonna keep that one out.
It has 4-speed out of Ford. It's all like nostalgically correct, art project styly, you know, and it has like a crazy paint job, and it has like the suicide front end, and the steering column comes out the side, and it has this like, it's just really super fancy like hot rod.
The Knight Rider new concept. So I guess Knight Rider would look like that. Kind of silly.
Good luck, Preppy. Should have bought a smaller car.
Now here's one I built with these wheels and tires, and it's it was a factory color scheme. They came like this. It was a certain series, like the Mirage series or something like that, from the factory, but pretty cool. Chevy truck, C10. Yeah.
Hey, remember that time I was in the Montego and I fell out of my seat? Because it flipped over? I sure do.
Pink is a really hard color to find, so every time I find a pink car, I'll buy it, even if it is ugly.
I really miss my demon, but the demon's choke never fucking worked.